welcome back. We are going to push our iPhone GPS location to Owntracks application. So let's set up our iPhone right now. Okay, as you can see that this is my iPhone screen. So let me put it this way for better view. Okay, I will go to my app from here, and I believe that we already have our application downloaded. Okay, so we are going to set up our MQTT credentials. Okay, so first of all, remember that we keep our broker credentials over here. Okay, so we will enter this. If you somehow lost your endpoints, so you just go to the service, then go to the recorder service, then remember that our information is here. Okay, so the first one will be the broker information, and second one will be the recorder credential. So let me put my phone back. Okay, so when you open up, you will be notified over here. Okay, so just in case you don't know how to where we are, so from the application page, front page, you go to the info okay, so you see the status is error. So let's go to the setting. We have to choose private. Okay, here are three options. So we will set the private. Tracker ID. Okay, so we will use that only allow two characters. So I would use, however, maybe I use H one. Okay, I will use this for differentiation. Then we go to device ID. I might want to use iPhone. iPhone 1. Hostname. Remember that our hostname is this, so it has to be entered correctly. Recorder dot 991 01 that's bad. Okay, let me 99101 C 17 dot svc dot docker app docker app .io. Okay, you have to set exactly the same. Let me double check. Recorder dot 99101c17 dot suv dot docker app dot io. Okay, so we move to the port number. Port number is 1883. Then you have to check authentication. Turn it on. And remember our login username, it will be Howard. And password, anything. I use Howard as well. But it should not be a problem if you do not use it. Okay, so that should be all. When we going back to last menu, you're gonna see the status is connected. You see that? Okay, then we go to the map. Okay, as you can see that we see our H1 location is displayed. Okay, but as you can see that are more than 1 points. Okay, so I have set up another 2 devices. One is HW, one is CR, which is using username Crystal. Okay, as you can see that from Friends tab, you can see that all 3 devices are displayed over here. And of course, you can swipe to delete, or you can click the info to see the basic information, or you can navigate to him. Okay, use a map application functions to do that. So I think it's pretty cool to do that. Okay, so let's go back to Owntracks again. Okay, that will be all for our phone setup. I believe all the locations is sending location data to the server already. So let's look at our Owntracks. So let's go to the Owntracks server and let's see how location points are reported. So let's go to the NORAD first. NORAD. Remember that is another service. Okay, over here. So let's look at it. And as I explained that the phone will talk to the mosquitto device, mosquitto broker. And we expect this node will receive all the GPS data under topic Owntracks/pound. That means all the points will be reported to the broker, will be received from here. And we have a debug node to receive to catch all the data. So let's see if our phone is well set up. When we press here to report or location data to the server, then we can expect that we can receive the same location data in our debug tab. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so when I press here, you can see that the phone will send a message to the topic Owntracks/Howard/iPhone1. That means username and device ID. Then it will send a package, the location package, to the server. Okay, so that's why that we received a message from here. Okay, so let me try it again. Let me press here on the phone. Okay, you can expect that the location is reported to the server. So that means every point that I report, that the recorder will also keep a copy. Okay, so of course you can set the reporting frequencies over here, okay, as well, but I will leave it to try it. So let's see if the recorder is well received the data. So let's go to the on-track recorder URL endpoints. Let's see what's going on if the recorder has received our message. Okay, so we can see that if you see this page, you're gonna see a user and device is called Howard, and iPhone 1 is over here. Okay, so we can see all the points from here. Okay, click auto zoom. Okay, so this is the current location. Okay, and we can see that I have our iPhone 1 location is over here. Okay, as we can expect, and I have 4 other devices alive. If we look at the location points, we're gonna see the track over here, but it's only one locations reported. So we will check it out later. Okay, so there will be all for our iPhone location reporting. So we are done. Then we will go to next for Android phone setup. So, but if you can do that on iPhone, I believe that you can do that on Android as well. So see you next.